Guys, so it is currently, let me check the time actually, 4:15. As you can see, I've got Luna sleeping on me. She's in my room right now. There's fireworks starting to go off already. It's currently Bonfire Night. It's the 5th of November. Remember the 5th of November, gunpowder trees in the plot. I went to Asda's earlier on to get some fireworks. We got some rockets and just like the fountain pack, just like normal. Not really a massive fan of fireworks anymore like I used to be. Like, I like seeing them, but having like fireworks doesn't really appeal to me anymore. Don't know why, to be honest, because I used to love them. I love seeing them, but I don't like the danger of it, basically, and I don't like the fact that it upsets animals and stuff. But we have got some fountains and some rockets and stuff, so we will be, well, I will be setting them off because my auntie says she's not doing it. And I said that's fine, so I'm going to be doing it. I'm going to make her film, so you can see a little bit of an insight into our bonfire night. We got some burgers, sausages, some snacks, and stuff, and I'll try and film as many fireworks as I can. Also, if you guys are wondering, Luna and Lucy are not scared of them, thank God, because one of them, like the other night before I went out and filmed the Bean Boozled challenge, which will be up in a bit. It'll be up, well, I think it'll be up before this video. Yeah, it will be. So you can go and watch that, the Bean Boozled challenge. Basically me, Shanice and Shanice. Yeah, that's right. Thought I said it funny then, but anyway, me, Shanice, and Alicia went out for went to Wetherspoons for a few drinks. I got very drunk, but yeah, basically, we ended up filming in Wetherspoons because I haven't seen her in ages, and like we planned to film this anyway. And Alicia joined in, and I had a few left, so my auntie and my mum joined in, which I've just finished editing now. It's like all combining now. But yeah, so that will be up when you're watching this. What else? So yeah, basically we're just gonna have a few snacks, a few fireworks, and I think I've always vlogged bonfire night. My nose is running like a tap. I'm so sorry. But yeah, basically I think I've always filmed bonfire night, so I thought this year's no different. But yeah, like I said, I'm setting them off. We haven't got any sparklers this year, which is so upsetting. Normally we have some sparklers, but they completely sold out. We were lucky to get what we wanted. So yeah, I only spent about £20 on fireworks because honestly, I don't really care about having massive fireworks. We've always had these ones, so yeah. So I'm gonna go now and speak to you guys when the party is kicking off. So speak to you in a bit. Great, just as I start filming they stop. Oh, never mind. Honestly guys, it's crazy the amount of fireworks that's going off. I'm about to set mine off, so I'll see you soon. I'm about to light the rocket. Whoa, there we go! Whoa. These are shots. Ah! Woo! Hey! Tube. Also, you should probably not be there. Whoa! Oh, is that it? It's not angled properly. It says to go in the ground. Oh, it's a fountain. Man, the carpet! Oh shit! Man, the flipping carpet's gonna go alight. It's alright right now, yeah, it's not lighting.
Whoa!
Oh, that was a letdown. That looked like it was... Why is this fireworks getting let off over here? Oh shit, the door. cats are kind of scared. They're really pretty.
Families put together this
Goes to the farm, doesn't it?
Yeah.
There's more over there. Guys, there's two lots going off right now. Oh, there we go, you can see both. Jeez, how much have they spent on these?
Oh yeah. Where such things
Man, this must have cost them over £500.
this probably
Oh, is this a spray, is it?
She said,
Oh, guys, this is a spray, not people buying them.
It's Sally said.
Fireworks and they're already laying them off and scaring the life out of me. Oh, you had one then. Any more? Oh, yep. I mean, this just looks embarrassing now, flowers. Go on then. You done? Oh, I hear one. I don't know where it's coming now. Oh, there. I think that's it for them. Right. Can I go back to my babies now? Well, maybe not. Ah! Shit in hell! I was expecting that to be a little baby rock. Oh no! Sorry guys, well yeah, considering they're demons. I don't like those ones, they're demon ones. They scare me. Wait, where the heck did I put that now? I've lost it. Oh, there. Right, this is a baby one, guys. It can't hurt you. And you can't see it because it's all not in focus. Great.
doing his pops.
Well, it's a bit late, wasn't it? Oh. Finishes and then it goes. Got this one. Hey, I got it! Just as I was gonna. Oh, there's more going off over there now. Like, well, sorry guys, you might not see much right now, but. Is that a bang going off? Oh. Oh no! Oh no! Oh, that looks pathetic now! Maggot's trying to be nice to me. Oh no, I do that. Oh shit now. Yeah. Mum should be used to that by now. Shit! Shit! My gosh! Well, that's embarrassing. Oh! Well, that was a great footage I got there. I love this. Why did we bother? Why didn't know they were going to do this? So, baby, baby, you're a firework. Come on, let your colors burst. Make him go up, up, up. But you're leaving going up. Oh, jeez, I'm slow. Can you hear him going up? Oh, there's a big one. I feel a big one coming. Oh, yeah, I told you. Didn't know.
Always want to end.
Well, there you are. My family are just being nice. No, do you know what it is, guys? We always get these every year. Right, we'll try and pay attention to this one because it's been waiting for its moment. Ah. It's like, no, I'm not done yet. Whoa, no.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Yeah.
All you hear is on you now. Oh!
Sounds so much like that.
It's powerful fireworks. Oh, but why didn't I just do that? I can put the flashlight on my phone. Take this, powerful fireworks. I'll show you what we're made of.
5, 4, 3.
Hey, that was good! Go on! You know you want to. Yeah, there we go. I knew it. They just couldn't let me be happy, could they? Not once. Eve. Meg, Cannon, do this. I mean, I'm kind of getting shown up now. This is embarrassing. I feel like we're in a war with everyone's public displays. There's a fireworks display going over there and there's one over here, hence why they've got really nice fireworks. Oh, now the screamer's going off. What makes them make that noise? Anyone know?
Like a whistle.
Yeah. We're kind of in a bit of a war right now. I say that as a firework goes off. We're currently trying to undo the shots. Not those shots, firework shots. I'm trying to record. Oh, it's all blurry. A lot of times these are going to go blurry because obviously it's bright lights in the air. So I can't really do much about that. But there's nothing happening right now. Surprised they're not trying to compete yet.
No, I don't.
You done it? So this is what we're doing now. Don't know if you can see. Oh yeah. What's it called? Crackling shots. Oh, this is gonna go like.
You used to call them Roman candles.
Oh my god! I just recorded myself doing that. I didn't realise it was on. Right, 2 seconds. Right, gotta be careful because these are shots. They'll go up. At least the kids are enjoying them. Oh, is that it? For goodness sake! Okay, I don't know what this one is, but I know I'm getting back. Yay! There we go. You can't see those. Don't think you can. No, they just see flashes. You can't see those. Let's go down here. Oh, now you can! Just as they finish. This one you don't have to stick in the ground, do you? You said. Even though it says stick in the ground, but she's. Well, I'm still going to put in the ground a little bit. Just to make sure. Woo! Jeez. They scare the life out of me when they go like that. I don't. Oh, this looks bad. Oh, shit in hell! Now I understand why I needed to go on the ground. Okay, here goes. Ouch! Shit in hell! Ah! Flipping out, idiot! Oh! You alright, love? Here we go. I'm burning my bloody self on the flames.
You know.
Only a little bit. The grass is actually burnt where the rockets have been going off. It's a bloody rocket, this one. Another one. aint. It is. Ready, guys? I think this is the last rocket.
Woo! Yay!
Finale, guys. Ah, I did that again. I don't know what this is going to do, but it says 16 shots. Oh shit.
3, 4, 5.
No, they're counting. I can hear it bubbling. Woo! Is that it? Oh, they're doing it to test us.
You must have missed too.
I think that's it. A bit, guys, with you. Just to show you. Oh, that was terrible filming. I'm gonna put off. Yeah, I don't know what happened there. That was supposed to have 16 shots. We only have 13, so I'm not quite sure what's going on there. But I'm not gonna go over there just in case like it goes up. Obviously, can't see any right now. And I'm not gonna. There's a fireworks spill or something over there, but I'm not gonna go over there because obviously I'm not getting thrown at by fireworks. People are already being stupid, and it's only 7. What, 20 to 7? Where's that? But you have seen a lot that I've done. Obviously, if there's any more displays, I will film, but you can hear them. But I can't see any, unfortunately.